Learning English can feel difficult, but it doesn't have to be. The secret is to listen every day at a slow and clear pace. When you listen slowly, you understand more words, you remember them for longer, and step by step, your English becomes natural. That is why this podcast exists, to make learning easy, relaxing, and part of your daily life. Subscribe and join me here every day so that English becomes not just a lesson, but a habit you enjoy. This morning, I woke up early. I opened the curtains. The sunlight was soft and warm. I walked to the kitchen. I made a cup of coffee. I added milk and a little sugar. I stirred the coffee slowly. I sat near the window. I looked outside. The street was quiet. A small bird landed on the fence. It looked at me. I smiled. Suddenly, a man on a bicycle passed by. His scarf was flying in the wind. I took a sip of coffee. It was hot and sweet. I could smell the roasted beans. A woman walked her dog. The dog stopped to sniff a flower. The woman laughed. I opened my notebook. I wrote 3 things I wanted to do today. First, buy fresh bread. Second, call my friend. Third, read my new book. I closed the notebook. I finished my coffee. I stood up. I felt ready for the day. Every day you wait is one more day without progress. Start today. Make English a part of your life. One slow, clear story at a time. Subscribe now and don't miss tomorrow's episode. Your English will thank you.